ROVI announces its financial results for the first 6 months of 2025, at a time when investment is essential in order to drive growth, focusing on increasing its production capacities in the contract manufacturing business and reinforcing ROVI's internationalisation through Risperidone ISM. ROVI booked operating revenue of €314.6 million, representing a 4% decrease on the first half of 2024 due to the behaviour of the contract manufacturing business. Notwithstanding, sales of the specialty pharmaceutical business rose 13% to €237.4 million in the first half of the year. Special attention should be drawn to the positive evolution of Risperidone ISM, whose sales increased 115% in the first half of the year compared with the first half of 2024. Sales of the heparin division, which includes low molecular weight heparins and other heparins, increased 12% to €135.2 million due to the increase in orders from international partners in the first half of 2025. The primary contributor to the division's growth was enoxaparin, sales of which rose 14% compared to the first half of 2024. In addition, the contract manufacturing business booked sales of €77.2 million. In the first half of 2025, the gross margin increased by 3.0 percentage points compared to the first half of 2024, rising to 62.4% in the same period of 2025. Likewise, in the first half of 2025, EBITDA decreased 6% to €65.6 million due to the increase in research and development expenses. If the R&D expenses in the first half of 2025 had been the same as those of the first half of 2024, the EBITDA would have risen 0.5% to €70.2 million, reflecting an increase of 1.1 percentage points in the EBITDA margin, which would have been 22.3% in the first half of 2025. Net profit was €39.7 million. For 2025, ROVI maintains its guidance and expects operating revenue to decrease by a mid-single-digit percentage. However, there are certain factors that, although they could be relevant, are difficult to specify at the present time. Among others, the company is not in position to forecast the evolution of the demand and production of the 2025 vaccination campaign. We continue to focus on increasing our production capacities in the contract manufacturing business and reinforcing the company's internationalization with Risperidone ISM.